Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Trust Wallet login. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. To get started, you need to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and set up a recovery phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet and funds. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard, where you can view your wallet balance, transaction history, and other settings. To log into your Trust Wallet account, simply open the app and enter your password. If you have multiple wallets, you can switch between them by clicking on the wallet icon and selecting the wallet you want to use. You can also add new wallets or delete existing ones from this menu. To send or receive cryptocurrency, click on the Send or Receive button, enter the recipient's address, and confirm the transaction. You can also use the QR code scanner to quickly send or receive cryptocurrency. Best practices for using Trust Wallet include always keeping your recovery phrase safe, using strong passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication. It is also essential to regularly back up your wallet and keep your device and app up to date. In conclusion, using Trust Wallet login is a straightforward process that requires creating a new wallet, setting up a recovery phrase, and logging in with your password. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good security habits, you can safely and securely use Trust Wallet to manage your cryptocurrency assets.